Okay, we're ready to set the tension on the belt because it's all aligned. Before you do this, just make sure that the cam pins that you put in have been removed. We don't need them anymore. So the tension adjustment procedure is actually pretty simple, but it's absolutely essential that this be done because we need to make sure that that tensioner is in play. Make sure that if it's not already, and it should be already, that the tension adjust bolt is still loose, because you want that tensioner to be able to move freely. And then all we're going to do is we're going to rotate the engine just 3 or 4 teeth on the cam gear counterclockwise. Now that's important. Make sure that you do it counterclockwise because the tension needs to be pulled in that direction. So what I've done is I've just put the main pulley back onto the crankshaft down below with the little key, and I'm just going to use that to apply enough rotational force to turn the engine. I've also got my torque wrench on already. I could put it on after, but I've just put it on now, and I've set it to 31 foot-pounds. So I'm going to use that to tighten the adjust bolt after I've rotated the engine that 3 teeth on the cam gear. So that's about 3 teeth there. You can see everything gets really tight. And then it's just a matter of torquing the tension bolt down. And there's our 31 foot-pounds. That's all it takes. Tension's adjusted. Okay, reassembly pretty much just proceeds in the opposite order that we took everything apart. So you'll probably recall that just before we removed the belt and loosened the tensioner when we were taking everything apart, we had just taken the covers off. So now we're going to put the covers back on. So go ahead and do that now. The bolts that hold the covers on are torqued to 7 foot-pounds. And I'm not going to demonstrate how to do it because we took the covers off. They're pretty self-explanatory to put back on. So just get those back on and then we'll move on.